In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can implement Google Analytics to your WordPress website. For those who don't know what Google Analytics is, it's basically a tracking system that Google created. It's free and it's really awesome because it has lots of features that so you can look into your data, how people are behaving on your website. So you can track all this data, so you know what's going on your website. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to go to our um, WordPress website. We're just gonna log in, and we're gonna head over to the plugins, and here we're gonna add a new one. So we're gonna search for Google Analytics, and then this one I prefer is you always have to look at how many installs and last updates and the rating. Those three um, things are the ones you have to look for when you download plugins. But yeah, this is the one. I'm just gonna click install, and then it's installing. Let's see how long that takes. Shouldn't be long, because now we are installing that plugin and it's installed, and we're gonna activate that. So now we have that plugin. So it appears here. So I'm just gonna click that and click this, and then we need an access code. Well, before we do that, actually, we need to create. You have to create a Google Analytics account, right? You have to set that up, and so you're gonna type in Google Analytics on Google, in Google, and you probably have to create an account to your to your like this one, right? So you have to create that Google Analytics. It should be easy. I think it's something in the right side appears, and you can create Google Analytics. But since I already created Google Analytics, I this is my user interface. So what we're gonna do here, since I already have another site connected to my Google Analytics, we will have to make a new one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into admin, and I'm gonna go to here and create new property. And here you can choose, okay, whatever it is, a website or a mobile app, and this is a website, and my website name mikkelonline.dk, and we're gonna type in the URL, mikkelonline.dk, and the industry. What is my industry? I'm just gonna do other. I'm reporting time zone. Since I live in Denmark, I'm just gonna do Denmark, and then get tracking ID. And here is actually the script that you need to put in. Let's say you were making a website on another platform. This should be in your this tag should be in your head. But since we're working with WordPress, we actually don't need this code. We just need to, and it has PHP as well. But since we are done with this, creating our tracking ID and set it up here, we can now head back here and click that get access code, and we're gonna do my account here, and we're gonna, this is on Danish and this is in Danish, but I actually just allow um, my WordPress account, my WordPress plugin website to get access to my Google Analytics data. So now we got this code that we need. I'm just gonna paste it right in here and save access code. And then we're gonna choose the right website, and it's this one, the makeitonline.dk. So we're gonna lock selection, and you can choose theme color and whatever, and you can save changes. And now in your dashboard, for example, you should have your Google Analytics. Yeah, so here it is. Oh, I just minimized that, but here it is. And you can do real time, and you can do today. You have these options here that is just um, I don't like to use the data you get from Google Analytics. Don't watch it here, I would say. I think you should go into when you are going to look at your data from Google Analytics, you should be in here instead of in your dashboard here. I think it's more in depth in here than in the dashboard in WordPress. So I would say that you should probably go in here, and here you can like track all these nice data um, from your website. Obviously we don't have any traffic yet to our site because we just made it, so there's no data here. But that is basically how you can implement Google Analytics to your WordPress website.